Today we're making a fresh, colorful, and healthy bean salad that's perfect for any meal. Simple ingredients, easy preparation, and full of flavor. Let's get started. Red kidney bean salad. 1 can of cooked red kidney beans. 1 grated carrot. 1 cup of finely sliced cabbage. 1/2 red pepper diced. Chopped parsley. Olive oil as needed. Vinegar as needed. Salt and pepper to taste. 100 grams of fresh cheese. 1 tablespoon of mustard. In a large bowl, add the red kidney beans, grated carrot, cabbage, red pepper, parsley, and crumbled fresh cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, the vinegar, the mustard, the salt and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix everything well. Let the salad rest for 30 minutes before serving. Serve chilled or at room temperature. And there you have it, a fresh and colorful red kidney bean salad, full of flavor and texture. Perfect as a light lunch, side dish, or healthy family meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Drain the beans well before using so the salad stays fresh and light. Adjust the vinegar to your taste for a milder or stronger dressing. Resting the salad helps all the flavors blend beautifully together.